How to start on Mastodon. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll simply guide you through the process on how you can start on Mastodon, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to start on Mastodon, maybe the first step would require you to create a Mastodon account. And to do this, first of all, open up your browser, then just go to mastodon.social, which is the official URL. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you go to mastodon.social, what you want to do is on the right hand side you'll find this option called create account. You want to make sure to click the create account button, and here are some of the rules that you might need to read, and then just click the accept button for. Then what you want to do is simply make sure to simply actually enter a username that you want to use here. Once you enter a username that you might want to use in this case, you can simply go ahead and enter them. Once you've done this, all you have to do is just click on the email address option, make sure to enter your email address, and make sure to simply also confirm your password. Then agree to the terms and conditions, click the sign up option, and your account will be successfully created. Once you've created the account, you can just come to the login tab here and then simply log in to your mastodon.social account. Once you log into your Mastodon account here, now to get started and start using it, you can just go to first of all your profile page by just going to preferences here, and then just going to your profile and then just updating your display name, your cover photo, your picture, your bio, and everything else you would like. And this way you can get started on Mastodon. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.